Welcome to Time Paradise. Today let's discuss about the bubble sort. Bubble sort is a sorting algorithm. Its name suggesting it is similar to the bubbles. So you know the bubble coming from the bottom and go to top. So the similar way, it will select a number and it will swap from left to right. At the end of the iteration, it will put the biggest number at the rightmost position. So this is how the bubble sort works. So let's sort this array in ascending order. So the first iteration, it will pick the leftmost number and swap with the next item. So it will be compared with 6, and a 6 is smaller than 8, so it will be swapped. Next 8 will be compared with 4, so 4 is smaller than 8, it will be swapped with 8. And next it will be it will be compared with 3 and swapped with 3 because 8 is greater than 3. Then next it will be compared with 5 and 5 is more than 8, so at the end of the iteration 8, the biggest number, put at the rightmost position. So next iteration it will be compared till 5. So next iteration 6 will be compared with 4 and it will be swapped because 6 is greater than 4. Then it will be compared with 3 and swapped. Then it will be compared with 5 and swapped. So at the end of the iteration we got the second big number at the right position. Then next iteration 4 will be compared with 3 and it will be swapped. Then 4 will be compared with 5, but unfortunately 4 is smaller than 5, then there will not be any swap, so we completed our comparison. So next iteration 3 will be compared with 4 and there is no swapping because already 3 and 4 are in sorted order. So this is how the bubble sort works. So its time complexity will be big. In the best case it will be big of n, because if it is in a sorted way, or only few swaps are coming, then it will be best case. So in the first iteration itself it is sorted, so this is the best case. The best average case and worst case, it will be big of n square, because that much comparison will come. So this is how it will work. So let's program the algorithm. So what we need an a variable for storing the limit. Then we need an array of numbers. Then we need a boolean for storing whether it is completed or not. It's a flag. So we read the size. Next we need to prompt for enter n item. So we have completed the reading of the numbers. Here, from here, we have sorted. This is the where we are implementing the sorting algorithm. J less than n minus I minus 1, because that is where our last item. We will skip each item, each iteration we will skip the last position. Array of j greater than array of j plus 1. Then we will swap the numbers. So we are using the temporary variable for swapping. So we swap the numbers, and we need to set the flag as true because there was some swapping happened. And here we will make the flag as false, and here we will make, if when swap happened, then we will need to make it true. If not flag, if there is no swapping, means it should break the array because there is no more iteration is needed. Then let's print the intermediate result, because then you will be able to understand. So let's run this program. So I'm giving this number whatever we selected for here. Oh, sorry, there was a typo. Oh, I missed semicolon. 5. Okay. Something is missing here. Oh, sorry. Here I typed the I plus plus instead of J plus plus. See, let's compare with here. See, the result is same as we did manually. So this is how the bubble sort works. Thanks for watching. Let's see with the other tutorials.